something they're so good at as a team, and when they're not moving the ball freely, you need some contested marks to break it up.
Higgins links up with Close, back to Higgins, now Rohan. Atkins, Tuohy will get a look. Is this their first?
Neil, that's incorrect disposal. Set shot here for Dangerfield. A real issue for Paddy Dangerfield now for a while. Set shot accuracy, one of the few things he's not elite at, but that is perfect. 2 in a row, Cats.
Nor was Joe. Radaglia will pump it inside 50 again for the Cats.
Hold in Geelong.
And another free kick going to Isaac Smith.
4, but only 4 goals, 24 points on the scoreboard. So they didn't take all their chances, the Lions. So now Geelong with a bit of footy, a few shots a goal, all of a sudden get within striking distance.
Really a pretty good finisher, 8-4 for the season. This for 3 in a row. And the Cats work their way back.
Payne would have been really nervous.
Yeah, the mid-forward connection not quite there for the Cats so far. O'Connor, Higgins, Smith, can he finish? Lovely. Slick work from the Cats.
Guthrie, piercing ball, it's a good one for Dangerfield.
The jumper. Stand.
21st possession for him. See something he likes. Tuohy lurking, held out of it was McCluggage. So it's been so hard for them to find a way to hit the scoreboard. Is that coming back enough? Yes, it is.
Coming together, the kick to Guthrie. Now Menegola runs to 55. Can he hit a target? Hawkins, yes. Haven't seen a lot of that tonight.
Got a feeling that's the first one, Jason. That's why we haven't seen it.
Tough kick from the boundary line. Gee, struck that beautifully. Magnificent finish.
Squaring ball for Atkins. Kolodjasny. Guthrie makes room for him, and now they get some forward connection. It's taken a long time in this game.
All night, really, so Rohan gets a chance.
And he kicks the goal. 2 in a row, Cats.